Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. I was going to record this video inside to avoid all the junk, but then I thought even with all the junk it's going to look more authentic than just another basic black boring background like you see in 90% of the YouTube videos today. So here we are. My name is Joshua and as of right now I am the welder, CEO, cameraman, producer, editor, and screenwriter for this entire channel. A little bit about myself. I've been a welder for the past 15 years now. I've worked in just about every industry there is other than nuclear and underwater, and I've used just about every welding process there is. There's several different directions I could end up taking this channel, but as of right now, I'm mainly focusing on just do-it-yourself welding projects and other projects as well, not just welding. Eventually, I could end up going more of an instructional / teaching route instead of do-it-yourself projects, but as of right now, that's where I wanted to start. So anyway, I really hope you enjoy the channel and I hope you enjoy the content. I've tried to put my personal touch on everything that I do here and especially on the editing, not just the projects themselves. So I hope you enjoy.